In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all responses in Google Forms. There might be times you want a detailed view of all the responses you've received in your Google form, whether for analysis, reporting, or just to keep track of how things are going. Fortunately, Google Forms makes this process straightforward. To begin with, you'll first want to head over to your preferred web browser and open Google Forms. After logging in with your Google account, you will find yourself on the Google Forms homepage. Now, it's important to focus on the form from which you want to see the answers. You'll likely see a list of forms you have created or have access to. From this list, click on the specific form you're interested in. Once you've opened the form in question, you'll notice several tabs at the top: Questions, Responses, and Settings. Naturally, our focus here will be on the Responses tab. By clicking on the Responses tab, you'll enter the area where all the insights and data from your form submissions are housed. This section is specifically designed to give you a comprehensive overview of the data collected. Inside the Responses section, you'll find a summary of the data presented in charts and graphs, offering a visual breakdown of the responses. These visuals make it easy to quickly assess general trends and get a snapshot view of the questions answered. However, if you require a more detailed perspective, there are individual response views available. You can toggle through each submission one by one to see the responses on a per-participant basis. This can be especially useful if you're looking to find out how a specific individual answered your form. If you prefer working with data in a spreadsheet format, Google Forms conveniently allows you to export all responses to Google Sheets. Look for the green Sheets icon located at the top right of the Responses section. Clicking on this will automatically create a new Google Sheets document populated with all the response data from your form. This spreadsheet format is versatile, allowing for further analysis, such as sorting, filtering, and even using it to create more complex data visualizations. Remember, access to responses may be limited based on your role or the permissions set by the form creator. If you're unable to see or export responses, it may be necessary to adjust your permissions or contact the form owner for access. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily view and manage all the responses collected from your Google form, whether you want a comprehensive overview or a detailed breakdown. Thanks for watching this guide on navigating Google Forms responses. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.